In this video, I'm going to reveal the real power of your subconscious mind that's been hidden from you. This is based on a part I read in the book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. You can get the book from the top link in the description. Over the next few minutes, I'll explain how your subconscious mind works like a hidden command center, influencing every aspect of your life, from the opportunities you seize to the success you achieve. And stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll share a powerful technique that you can start using immediately to reprogram your mind for success. Many people are closed off to their own potential because they don't know about this hidden storehouse of infinite intelligence and boundless love within themselves. Think of it like this: a magnetized piece of iron can lift 12 times its own weight, but demagnetized, it can't even lift a feather. There are two types of people. Some are magnetized, full of confidence and faith, knowing they are born to succeed. Others, so many others, are demagnetized. They are full of fears and doubts. When an opportunity comes, they say, "What if I fail? I might lose my money. People will laugh at me." People of this sort will not get very far in life. Their fear to go forward simply makes them stay where they are. This is the problem. Negative programming keeps you from tapping into the true power of your subconscious mind. You can become a magnetized person when you discover and put to use the master secret of the ages. Suppose someone asked you to name this master secret. What would you say? Atomic energy, interplanetary travel, black holes? No, it's none of these. The real secret, the one hidden in plain sight, is the incredible, miracle working power of your own subconscious mind. And the reason so few people tap into it is because they never think to look there. But how does this hidden power actually work? And how can you use it to transform your life? Once you learn to unlock and release the hidden power of your subconscious mind, you can bring more wealth, health, happiness, and success into your life. The best part, you don't need to acquire this power, you already possess it. But most people never learn how to use it. Within your subconscious depths lie infinite wisdom, infinite power, and infinite supply of all that is necessary. The subconscious mind isn't just a passive system. It's a powerhouse of creativity, intelligence, and limitless potential. If you learn how to harness it, it can reveal solutions to any problem you face, guide you towards the right opportunities, relationships, and financial success, even bring healing physically, mentally, and emotionally. There is a miraculous curative force in your subconscious that can heal the troubled mind and the broken heart. It can open the prison door of the mind and liberate you. But like any force in nature, it operates on principles. And there's one universal law that determines exactly how your subconscious shapes your reality. Just like the laws of chemistry, physics, and mathematics, the subconscious mind operates on definite universal principles. Water always seeks its own level. Matter expands when heated. 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen always forms water. Not sometimes, but always. The same consistency applies to your subconscious mind. It follows a fundamental law. It's also a universal truth that whatever you impress on your subconscious mind is expressed on the screen of space as condition, experience, and event. It says in the book, your prayer is answered because your subconscious mind is principle, and by principle I mean the way a thing works. For example, an important principle of electricity is that it works from a higher to a lower potential. You do not change the principle of electricity when you turn on a lamp or cook on an electric stove. No, you use the principle. By cooperating with nature, you can bring forth marvellous inventions and discoveries that bless humanity in countless ways. Your subconscious mind is principle. It works according to the law of belief. You must know what belief is, why it works, and how it works. The Bible says in a simple, clear, and beautiful way, if anyone says to this mountain, be lifted from your place and hurtled into the sea, and has no inward doubts, but believes that what he says is happening, it will be done for him. I tell you, then, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. Mark 11:23-24. The law of your mind is the law of belief. This means to believe in the way your mind works, to believe in belief itself. The belief of your mind is the thought of your mind. Just that and nothing else. All your experiences, events, conditions, and acts are produced by your subconscious mind in reaction to your thoughts. Remember, it is not the thing believed in, but the belief in your own mind that brings about the result. Stop accepting the false beliefs, opinions, superstitions, and fears that plague our humankind. Begin to believe in the eternal verities and truths of life that never change. At that point, you will move forward, upward, and Godward. Your prayer is answered according to the universal law of action and reaction. The universal law of action and reaction states that every thought is an action, and the subconscious mind responds accordingly. If you fill your mind with harmony, health, and success, that's what your subconscious mind will bring into reality. But this also works the other way. Negative beliefs, fears, and doubts will manifest as obstacles in your life. I also explored in my last video how various negative thoughts and emotions can manifest as physical illnesses in the body. Whether the object of your faith is real or false, you will get results. Your subconscious mind responds to the thoughts in your mind. Look upon faith as a thought in your mind, and that will suffice. Know that you can remake yourself by giving a new blueprint to your subconscious mind. Now that we understand the powerful law of belief, it's crucial to recognise that your mind is not just a single entity. In fact, your mind has two distinct functions that work together to create your reality: the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. And understanding the role each one plays is key to unlocking your full potential. The conscious mind is where you're aware of your thoughts, decisions, and actions. It's the part where you exercise free will. In contrast, your subconscious mind operates below the surface, handling your automatic functions, emotions, and deep-seated habits. It processes your beliefs and experiences, influencing your actions without you even realising. The key is to recognise that these two parts work together. Your conscious mind shapes the thoughts that are impressed onto your subconscious, and then the subconscious mind brings those beliefs into reality, whether for better or worse. Now that we see how your subconscious shapes your reality, let's take it a step further. By understanding and taking control of this dynamic, you can unlock the true power within you. So how exactly can you begin to harness this power? It says in the book, think of your mind as a garden. You're the gardener, and the thoughts you plant are like seeds in your subconscious. Without realising it, you're constantly sowing seeds, whether positive or negative. Your subconscious mind is like rich soil, ready to help whatever you plant grow. If you focus on positive thoughts, peace, happiness, prosperity, those are the seeds you'll reap in your life. Your conscious mind plays a crucial role in this process. It decides what seeds to plant, and by planting the right seeds, you align yourself with infinite wisdom and positive forces. When your conscious mind focuses on good, your subconscious mind will bring those thoughts of life, turning them into reality. It's essential to understand that changing your circumstances isn't about fighting external conditions, it's about changing the cause, the thoughts you plant in your subconscious. Once you realise this, you can transform your life completely by changing your thinking. You have infinite riches within you. It's all about redirecting the powerful energy of your subconscious toward your greater good. Think about this. Your subconscious mind is most susceptible to programming during development, especially between birth and age 18. And where are you most of the time during those years? Indoctrination camp, school. When you consciously work with your mind's power, you'll experience abundance, success, peace, and joy. Just like many of the great figures in history, from scientists to artists, understanding the conscious and subconscious mind is the key to accomplishing your goals. Take the example of the great tenor Enrico Caruso. In the face of intense stage fright, he commanded his subconscious mind to take control and perform through him, overcoming fear and achieving greatness. You can do the same. Speak with authority to your subconscious and you'll transform fear and anxiety into harmony and confidence. Remember, your subconscious is reactive. When you control your conscious thoughts, you direct the subconscious mind to work in your favour. It's all about understanding this relationship and taking control of your thoughts. Now that you understand the incredible power of your subconscious mind, let's look at how you can use it to transform your desires into reality. Think of your conscious mind as the captain of a ship, giving orders to the crew below deck. The crew, your subconscious mind, follows those orders without question. Whatever the captain, your conscious mind, believes and accepts as true, the crew will carry out, even if that means crashing. If you repeatedly tell yourself, "I can't afford this," your subconscious will work to ensure you stay in a state of lack. The subconscious doesn't challenge your beliefs, it simply obeys them. However, if you change your thinking, you can create entirely different results. Take Nina, for example, one story of many from the book. While browsing a luxury shop, she was initially overwhelmed by the price of a beautiful leather bag. Instead of thinking, "I can't afford it," she remembered a key piece of advice. Never finish a negative statement, reverse it immediately. She then affirmed, "That bag is mine. I accept it mentally, and my subconscious will see to it that I receive it." Later that day, Nina received that identical bag as a gift from her fiancé. Despite not having the money to buy it, her positive expectation and mental affirmation led her subconscious mind to bring the result into her life. By filling your mind with positive thoughts and expectancy, you allow your subconscious to create opportunities and manifest what you desire. Your subconscious mind holds the power to bring about your goals and desires when you believe in them and affirm them with conviction. Keep in mind that this power is available to you at all times. Your subconscious mind is not only a vessel for your desires, but the very force that can manifest them into reality. The more you align your subconscious thoughts with your true desires, the more you'll see your life shift in remarkable ways. Now here's the powerful technique I promised you. A simple method you can start using immediately to reprogram your mind for success. Become aware of negative thoughts. Throughout your day, pay attention to limiting statements like, "I can't afford it," or "I can't do this." When you catch yourself thinking these thoughts, pause. Reverse the negative statement. Remember the key advice. Never finish a negative statement. Reverse it immediately. For instance, instead of saying, "I can't afford this," immediately change it to, "I can afford this," or "I have everything I need." Affirm the conviction. Repeat your new positive affirmation several times, visualizing the outcome as if it's already true. The more you repeat it with genuine belief, the more your subconscious accepts it as fact. Practice consistently. Make this reversal and affirmation a daily habit. Over time, you'll notice that your mindset shifts and opportunities begin to manifest as your subconscious mind aligns with your positive beliefs. By consistently applying this technique, you are actively reprogramming your mind to work in your favour, transforming doubts into determination and scarcity into abundance. To sum up, your subconscious mind is an incredible force that can shape every aspect of your life. Remember that the answers to your desires and problems lie within you. The great men and women throughout history mastered the art of tapping in to their subconscious mind, and so can you. Every thought you have is a cause, and every condition you face is its effect. By consciously choosing the thoughts and beliefs you plant in your subconscious, you can heal, grow, and manifest the life you want. You are the captain of your ship, your soul, and the master of your fate. Choose wisely. Choose life, choose health, and choose happiness. If you want to buy the book, then the link is top of the description. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe to keep learning. If you know anyone who's interested in this kind of content, then please share this to them, as it really helps me out. If the next video on this book is out, then the playlist will be on screen now. Stay positive, even when it seems everything is against you.